Welcome to this detailed tutorial on how to remove the sidebar in WordPress quickly. In this guide you will learn how to access your WordPress account, make the necessary edits and remove the sidebar from your site with just a few simple keystrokes. We will begin by navigating to the WordPress website. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to WordPress. Once the page loads, you will notice at the top right corner of the screen a login option. This is the gateway to your WordPress dashboard where all your site management tasks are performed. Click on the login link to begin the authentication process. The layout of WordPress is designed to make access as straightforward as possible, so even if you are new to the platform, you will quickly get familiar with this step. After you click on the login link, you will see several options for signing in. For a smooth and efficient login experience, select the sign in option that reads Continue with Google. When you click this option, a pop-up window appears prompting you to choose one of your existing Google accounts. Simply select the account associated with your WordPress site. This method streamlines the process by eliminating the need to remember another password and provides a secure way to access your dashboard. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the section labeled Quick Links, which offers fast access to the most frequently used functions on the site. Within this section, locate the Edit Site option and click on it. This action will transition you from a general dashboard view to the site editor, where you can make design and layout changes to your website. The Edit Site interface is designed to allow you to see real-time changes as you customize your site, so it is an excellent environment for making adjustments. With the site editor now open, direct your attention to the sidebar that appears on the screen. The sidebar is typically used to display various widgets and menus, but in this tutorial you will be removing it for a cleaner page design. To remove the sidebar, simply click directly on it so that it becomes highlighted. It is important to ensure that the sidebar element is fully selected in the editor, so that the deletion command applies exactly to that component. Once the sidebar is selected, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then press the backspace key. This keystroke combination will delete the sidebar from your website layout. The process is both quick and effective, ensuring that you remove the element without affecting any remaining parts of your page. With the sidebar successfully deleted, you can now preview your site to see how the changes enhance its overall appearance. This straightforward process allows you to customize the appearance of your WordPress site in a matter of minutes. Each step has been designed to provide a seamless and unobtrusive experience, so you can focus on tailoring the layout to your specific needs. By following these instructions carefully, removing the sidebar becomes a simple task that opens up new possibilities for your website design. Enjoy the newfound freedom to arrange your content exactly as you envision it.